Alright guys, here we go. 2017 Super Break Supercharged, box number 17. $40 total spots. Here we go, here's the random. 2 times on the random. We're gonna get your teams to go right into the break. Alrighty. We can go 25 at a time, why not? Let's see, Jason H. Fractor on the top, R.A. Tolly on the bottom. 1 and 2. R.A. Tolly to the top, 5 side 40, number 40. On to the teams. Yankees Grizzlies combo up top, Niners Hawks and Orioles combo. I'm sorry, on the bottom, Niners Hawks Orioles on the top. Since they were sent, you mean you got like a tracking, but it's been 3 weeks since we shipped it, and it still hasn't shown up? Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I mean, I don't. We've definitely been doing it all the same way. Here you go. 1 second and final hit. Cross your fingers. Hold your winners. 2. Wow. T-Wolves on the top. Browns combo on the bottom. I'll make a note to have my guys check into it. I'm not sure we're going to see anything other than what you see on your tracking, but we can look at it. Let's put them in alphabetical order by your name here, guys. 20 till 3 down to Joe W. The top 25 there. All right, and there you go, down to 40. Posting the results on the website right now. All righty, good luck, everybody. Let me save the list, and we'll start ripping into this thing, see what's inside. I think that's a boxing glove. That looks like an Iron Mike, if I'm not mistaken. We got a Mike Tyson autographed boxing glove. Pretty sweet. Boxing. All boxing. That is J-Dog19 with the all boxing spot. Pretty awesome. Iron Mike autographed glove. That's Jason J-Dog19. What I'm pulling now. They're in Turkey? Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. We'll look on in it for you, sure. Yes, you did, Kevin. You got the best card in the break in high tech. I'll have to show it to you after this break. You destroyed the high tech break. Or we can just let you watch the video and it'll be like you saw it live again. Probably be more exciting that way. There's the year you missed it again. And I probably went fast today. I wasn't around to check how quick it went today. 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Pacific. 2 p.m. Eastern. There's only 3 boxes left. 18, 19, and 20. Oh, good luck. Here we go. Let's get into them. First one is graded. Cam Newton. This 2012 Playbook Cam Newton green version. 9.5 with a 10 auto, number 3 out of 5. The Panthers, that is 5/40. Nice top. Nice Cam Newton. Astros. Alex Bregman. There you go. 2016 Bowman Chrome Bowman Scout Top 100 Auto Gold. Number 34 out of 50. 9, 5, and 10. Very nice. Houston Stros. Astros. That is R.A. Tolly. Boom! Tom Brady, National Treasures, notable nicknames. Shit. Shoot. Tom Terrific, baby. Oh my goodness. Still got the Patriots. The Patriots. J-Dog 19. What a hit. Congratulations, Jason. 2015 National Treasures. Nope, 2014 National Treasures there. 8 of 25. Man, that's good. Cardale Jones, Origins 1/1 Shield for the Bills. He's sick. Who's got the Bills? Juan de Juan. Buffalo Bills, DJ Tricky. That's Dan. Not sure what the heck's going on over here. We just pulled a dang Tom Brady autograph on card of National Treasures, and I got LJ Maya said his pen got deflated. It's a sad day on Breakers TV, guys. It is a sad, sad day. We got a Sapphire, Jimmy Fox here, number 5 out of 10, Philadelphia. We're going to have to look at the actual flawless checklist to see which Philadelphia they put down for that Jimmy Fox there. Let's see. Section Flawless Baseball. Jimmy Fox. Base card goes to the Athletics, Philadelphia Athletics. All right. Put them down as the A's. Gosh, dang it. Can't find. There you go, the A's. Bengals and A's is Lenny. Hit it hard 13. That's Lenny. Last card of the break. Good luck. Kyrie Irving. Select 13-14. Franchise autos 9, 5, and 10. From Cleveland Cavaliers. That is Bruce Banner with the Cavs. Congratulations, Bruce. And that is it for our break. Thanks again to everybody for watching and joining. Congrats to the lucky hitters. Until next time, peace. Good evening, John.